Okay, so let's open it up. Hopefully I don't damage my $83 GAN cube while opening this. Hopefully. If I do, then I don't know. Whatever. Well, here is the box and its wrapping. I got this Yi Wang. It's an anime character. Funny. Yeah. This is it. And then what else is in the box? I got a GameCube wristband. Cool. I think there's one more thing. Oh, nice. What is this? Oh. I haven't had one of these. This is nice. Generous of GAN to give us that with my $83 cube. Well, let's take the wrapping off. Oh my god. I just want to stare at the box for some time. Okay, whatever. So let's do that. Take all this stuff off. So this is a cool unboxing experience. Oof, I damaged it. No. Anyways, this is a cool unboxing experience. So, unlike the 13, which I have, I'll bring it right now. Okay, here I have the 13 maglev. This is my current main. Let's pull this out. Oof, no, please don't fall. Okay, so there's nothing inside here. Nice. There is this GameCube card, credit card, I call it. What's next? Let's check out the box. It's a nice box. Let's check what's in here. So we have the adjustment tool. We have the core magnets. Well, from the corner magnets, I guess. Corner magnets. And let's put that back on. Now it's time to... No, let's do the accessories first. Save the cube for the end. Okay, we got the usual GAN box. We have this, as always. There's the logo. This looks very clean. This AI cube station looks cool. Let's see. We have this. Oh, they still haven't. Oh wait, I think they changed it. Oh wait, they have. Wait, what? They changed it. They finally changed it. Finally. You guys, this is the best. They finally changed their thing, whatever it's called. They have the again 14 maglev adjustment thing, adjustment guide. So yeah. Hope you can read Chinese. Just kidding, that's for JPerm. Then let's do the greatest thing of all time. on 14 maglev. Oh my god. Oh my god. To me, this actually feels more different than 13. Feels faster, look. Let's try this. Look. This is way faster. Let's see. This is the 13. Good corner cutting. Let's try the 14. Awesome corner cutting. I bought the UV, guys, so it's shiny. I think they kind of changed the UV coating. This feels kind of lighter. This is heavier. Yeah, I changed the UV coating. I think this is a more like a UV type. This is 13. I can tell by the feel. Let's see if they changed anything inside of here. I think they made it smaller. Let's see. See, yeah, this is a 14. This is a 13. So 14 is smaller, and I like it. This is bigger and still pretty good. So, oh yeah, and look, you see the arrow right over there? Right now it's on the corners. When we go here, it's on the edges, like the edge of the centerpiece. So that. Let's put this back on now. Which one is a 13? Which one is a 14? Oh no. This is obviously a 13. It's more, it looks more old, obviously. This one is the 14. More like that. I can easily just do a U2 without doing a double flick. So first impressions, it's an awesome cube. Really fast. Nice adjustments. Let's actually open it up right now. Oh, they lubed it. Nice. So it looks, the center core pieces look kind of bigger. Yeah, they look bigger, so that means they're probably stronger. And I'm pretty sure there's a video on YouTube which show, yeah, Z3 Cuban's video on the fastest cube in the world. Well, his video, so that magnets kind of make the cube faster for some reason. And I think this is close to it. Yeah, this is definitely what he means. 13. 14. I think it's a bit too fast. I'm gonna put some lube in it maybe. Now, what else is there? Let's see. Anything in here? No. In here? Nope. So, let's take a look at this. The Chinese side. Can't read Chinese. This is, wait, let me do this. It's like this. I think we'll just put some lube. Let me get some lube. Here I have Stardust. So they put their own lube, but I'm gonna put some more. They're broken in really well. So I like that. So it says 6 drops. Let's put 6. Oof, I dropped one. 1, 2. Come on. Ow. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Now, this is the Speedcube shop loop, by the way. Be sure to buy from Speedcube shop. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, let's break it in. Just so you know, guys, I average about sub 20. So let's do a solve on this. Funny, I haven't done a solve yet. Ooh, I messed up. What I like about this cube is, like, look at its maglev. Like, I don't think it's a magnet. The magnets, look. It snaps into place like how? Like what in the world? Like, let's try above 45 degrees. Okay, works. It's kind of nice. I like that. Lock up. Let's try reverse. This is very nice. It can do about here. So yeah. So you can buy this from speedcubeshop.com. Link in the description. I bought this from GAN. Sorry, because they had it in stock and Speedcube Shop didn't. It was pre-order. But now it's in stock. Buy it from Speedcube Shop using code JPRIM because I'm not sponsored yet. Bye. I'll see you whenever my next video is.